Hi guys, it's Sandra here from Creating Spain, and I have a very simple card idea for you today. One file, and I've done 3 different variations, but the good news is that it just involves cutting out this flower shape out of several different materials at the same time. So you just do 3 or 4 of these flower cutouts. And if you want to, you can cut out the outer line for the flower from your background piece. You don't have to, but you can. And this particular one I have done with all the layers of the pattern inset into this pink piece. Then for the rest of it, I stamped a sentiment, decided it didn't show up enough, so I went over it with a silver pen. And I used the same silver pen to do these little swirly scrolls around the flower as well, and put a little gem in the center. Mounted it on white card, and that's it, you're done. So this is what the actual flower looks like when it's cut out, and you'll end up with all these various bits and pieces. Now, if you cut it out of different colors and different materials like I did, you can get a very varied effect on your petals, but you don't have to fill them all in if you don't want to. You could do the outer line and simply put some of the other shapes in. So you could, for example, just put these smaller ones in. Now that's a glitter card, this one is a self-adhesive vinyl, but you could go around and you could just do that. You could leave it as it is. You could build up layers of these and make them stand up. You do all sorts of different things. But don't be blinkered about what you do with these little bits, because you can do all sorts of different things. And I've got a card here that is, again, slightly different. And I don't know how well you can see it. I've used the outside silver glitter ones to use as leaves on here. And I've just used the same silver pen to put in a stalk and to do the veining on the leaves. The background was one that I had in my stash I'd made a while ago. Put a sentiment on. I actually wrote it in pink and then put the silver over the top because I just thought it would tie it all together. And I've got little dots and tiny little circles going around the outside of the leaves with the same silver pen. Mounted this on the deep pink and then mounted that again on a white card. So same cutout basically, but 2 completely different looks. The last one I've done is making use of the solid shape that is cut out, basically the waist from this one. And then I've used some more of the silver ones on the outside, used solid silver ones for the center and these middle bits. Drawn a stalk, drawn a leaf, put a few dots and circles on, and finished it off with 3 sequins, only 3. And put just a note down at the bottom. I thought this one would be really fun for children to do. It doesn't take very long to do it. And they could do that as maybe thank you cards for birthday presents or things like that, or maybe a thank you note for teacher. So there we go, 3 different cards from the same file. As usual, the file will be linked below. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks very much for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.